Massive armies and nuclear warheads might grab the headlines. But the world's true power is locked within these 14 narrow lines. In geopolitics, they are called choke points. These are strategic maritime veins. If constricted, they would cause the global economy to suffocate in hours. One of these paths carries 30% of the world's oil. Another is a hair trigger for World War III. Today, we unlock these 14 doors. We will reveal who really holds the keys to our world. Segment 1. The Oil King. Our journey begins in the Middle East. This is the world's energy heart. The most critical valve here is the Strait of Hormuz. It is a narrow passage between Iran and Oman. If it were blocked today, global oil prices would skyrocket. It would trigger immediate economic warfare. Hormuz controls the oil, but there's another door. It is known as the Gate of Tears. It is a place where histories, ghosts, and modern-day pirates meet. Why are global powers terrified of a path only 18 miles wide? Segment 2. The Gate of Tears and Suez. Bab el-Mandeb is Arabic for the Gate of Tears, historically named for its treacherous waters. Today, it faces a new threat of drone strikes and regional blockades. If this door closes, ships must circle the entire African continent. This adds weeks of travel and millions in extra costs. Think that's an exaggeration? Just look back at 2021. A single ship, the Ever Given, got stuck in the Suez Canal. In just 6 days, it cost the global economy $54 billion. But the next door isn't just about money. It's about a dilemma that keeps China's leaders awake at night. Segment 3. The Malacca Dilemma and Taiwan. The Strait of Malacca is the world's busiest maritime corridor. It connects the Indian and Pacific Oceans. For China, this is a dangerous dilemma. If the U.S. Navy blocks this strait, China's economy would starve. Then there is the Taiwan Strait. This is the world's most dangerous flashpoint. It is the gateway for 70% of the world's microchips. We've covered the oceans, but what about the ice? A new door is opening between Russia and the USA. The Bering Strait is becoming a new frontier. Whoever controls this melting path will be the boss of the next century. But who actually controls most of these doors right now? Segment 4. Panama and Gibraltar. The Panama Canal is an engineering masterpiece. It literally lifts ships over mountains. It turned the United States into a two-ocean superpower. Across the Atlantic sits the Strait of Gibraltar. This is the ancient gateway to the Mediterranean. It is currently guarded by the British military. While these canals are marvels of human will, nature is reclaiming dominance. In South America, the Strait of Magellan is seeing a resurgence. Climate change is lowering water levels in modern canals. Will we be forced back into the world's most dangerous storms? Segment 5. The Arctic and the conclusion. The Bering Strait is no longer just a frozen wasteland. It is a future goldmine for global trade. Meanwhile, the Cape of Good Hope remains the world's backup plan. When a canal fails or a war erupts, humanity retreats to this southern tip. These 14 doors are more than just water. They are the true levers of global power. Out of these 14, over 10 are under the influence of the United States. But for how much longer? History isn't written in boardrooms. It's written in these narrow passages. The fate of billions is decided here every single day. If you want to understand who runs the world, don't look at flags. Look at the straits. Where do you think the next power struggle will ignite? Let us know in the comments. I'm Meen, and this was The Truth. Subscribe for more.